Today we got in this BMW M5 2018. We fitted the Pandora Elite, which comes with impact sensor, motion sensor, tilt sensor, microwave dual zone, and it's also got remote engine start. It has a built-in tracker, so the client will know the location of the car. It uses the factory remote control to arm and disarm the alarm. It comes with ID tags, so that you can disarm the alarm and start it. Without the ID tags, the alarm would go off and you wouldn't be able to start the car. On this particular model, like I said, we've got the remote engine start feature. We'll activate it via the Pandora long range remote control. So whilst the alarm is armed, and if we press and hold this for 3 seconds, hopefully the engine will start. Flashes on the indicators should indicate that the engine is about to start.